In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a Switch controller to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A lot of gamers have a preference for the Nintendo Switch Pro controller over the Xbox One controller or any other available on the market. However, the Switch Pro controller is only natively compatible with Nintendo consoles, of course. So, as it stands today, even though you cannot directly connect a Nintendo Switch Pro controller or any other model of Switch controller to the Xbox One, you will be able to use this adapter that I'm going to showcase in this video. So, sadly, you will have to purchase an adapter. However, the Wingman XB2 converter is a very well-regarded and well-rated converter or adapter that allows you to use various different controllers on your Xbox console. So as you can see, it is compatible with the Xbox 360, Xbox One Original, Xbox One, and various different other devices, and you will be able to connect all of these different controllers, the Switch Pro controller, PlayStation controllers, Xbox Elite, and so on. So all that you have to do is purchase the Brook Wingman XB2 converter. There are other adapters available on the market. However, this is the one that I want to recommend because, as I've said before, it is from a well-established brand and it has a lot of good reviews. If you find a cheaper alternative that also works, then you can just get that one instead. But like I said, this is the one that I believe will fit the bill for most people. So all that you have to do is look for the Brook Wingman XB2 converter. It is as simple as inserting it into any of the available USB ports on your Xbox One, and you will be able to connect your Switch Pro controller to the Wingman converter. So as long as you plug it into any of these suitable USB ports, it is going to make any other controller compatible, even if it is not designed for Xbox consoles. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect the Switch controller to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.